After uploading my 2 first law of attraction videos, I got amazing feedback from you guys telling me that it literally changed your life and you've seen some of the things that you are trying to attract actually come into your reality, which makes me so happy. And a lot of you have just said that it makes you more positive and it gives you like a happier outlook on life. But I do get some comments that are like, why am I not manifesting what I want? Why is what I want not coming to me? How can I do it faster? How can I manifest things as fast as possible? And I have the tips in this video that have really helped me manifest faster and have helped a ton of other people that I've seen on YouTube through their success stories. I suggest that you stay till the end of this video because even watching this video is going to bring you closer to getting what you want, because you are going to be thinking about it during this video, and the more time you spend thinking about it, the more you're going to attract it and the faster you're going to attract it. Something that I cannot stress enough and that has actually helped my law of attraction routine, you would say. I actually have a law of attraction morning routine where I show you guys like what I do in the morning to raise my vibration and start manifesting at the beginning of my day. Your subconscious mind is the most susceptible to your thoughts and feelings. So what you're going to want to do is right after you wake up, you say, today is going to be an amazing day. Even if you know that you have stuff that you don't want to do that day, or like you don't want to go to school, or you don't want to do a specific thing, don't dwell on that. Focus on what you have, what you're grateful for, and just say, today's going to be a magical, beautiful, awesome day, and keep repeating that to yourself until you feel happy and excited. The morning impacts the rest of your day so much, and you are going to be attracting what vibrations you're putting out. So if you're focusing right at the beginning of the day on all the things that you don't want to do that day and all of the bad things about your day, then you're just gonna attract more bad things and your day is gonna be worse. But if you focus on the good things, more good things will come that day. Just like I was saying, this is a perfect example of the car theory. If I told you to look for a specific car, you would start seeing that car everywhere when before you didn't notice it. So if I told you, oh, look for a silver Mercedes, you're going to see silver Mercedes everywhere. Were those cars there before? Yes, they were. But were you looking for them before? No, you weren't. So if you are looking for the good things, more good things are going to come to you. It's just facts. The second thing is a super secret rule. That's actually not secret at all because it's literally like super well known, but like I like to call it a secret rule, but I'm sharing it with you guys if you don't already know it. It's called the 17-second rule. A huge part of the 17-second rule is basically focusing on one thought and visualizing you living your dream for 17 seconds straight with no distractions at all. If you get distracted, you restart. Feel all the emotions that you would feel if you had exactly what you wanted. No distractions whatsoever. 17 seconds on one good thought. What is actually recommended is that you focus on one thought for 17 seconds and then you move to a second thought for another 17 seconds and try 4 different thoughts. So 17 times 4 is 68. So that's a whole 68 seconds of manifestation, and that is proven to be a perfect time. You don't need to be manifesting for like 15 minutes straight. The third thing is to stay consistent, and just hold on for a second. I know this is like very general, but there are some things about staying consistent that not a lot of people recognize how important they are. You have to know that everything you want is already created for you. Like, it's already in the world. You just are attracting it. It's not the law of creation, it's the law of attraction. So everything that you want is possible. You're literally just bringing it into your physical reality. If you stay consistent, it will come. Like, I'm telling you right now, and I'm like not a liar, if you stay consistent and know that it's coming, it will come. You are not crazy. You are not out of reach of what you want. And if you keep telling yourself that, you are never going to get it. You have to know that you're worthy. It is so close. Like, you can literally feel it. And that is actually my next point. And it's knowing that you're so close. If you always think, tomorrow I am going to start living my dream life, that is going to make the time frame that it takes for the universe to give you what you want so much smaller. So I'm telling you right now, what you want is so close, it's in your reach, and you're not crazy for wanting it. Hey guys, just a little intermission. I was actually tanning outside for maybe 40 minutes, and I just wanted to tell you guys what is keeping me smelling so good while I'm tanning. And that is Native deodorant. Thank you so much, Native, for working with me on this video. I have been using a natural deodorant for as long as I can remember because, as you guys know, I like to use the most non-toxic natural products as possible. First of all, their scents are literally my favorite scents ever. I would probably rub this deodorant all over my body so I could smell like it, but let's just pretend I'm normal. Native has such a wide range of selection and they're definitely not sticky, which is what I hate about deodorant. It dries super quickly and it's also great for on the go. I honestly love how long it lasts. I wear it when I'm working out, when I'm tanning, and it gets super hot in Ontario, so all day I can go with like 2 or 3 swipes in the morning and then I'm good. First one I got is citrus and herbal musk. This one is super good if you love like citrusy, orangey, tangerine, like tropical scents. This one is the cucumber and mint. It smells clean. If you like fresh, clean scents, definitely recommend this one for you. Not too strong, but it just makes you smell clean. My favorite one that I've been using every single day is the coconut and vanilla. This one actually goes along with the perfume that I have because it's a vanilla coconut perfume. Another thing that I love about Native is that they are sulfate-free, paraben-free, and aluminum-free. They are completely natural. Native is also vegan and cruelty-free. If you want to get 3 deodorants like so, they're usually $36, but if you use my link down below and my code, then you can get them for $24, which is 33% off. My one fear is like being that person that smells bad in the room. So I know that I can trust Native to keep me smelling good and also not using a bunch of harmful products while I'm smelling good. The next tip is to write it down. This is a tip that actually has changed my whole law of attraction routine, I would say, and it has really helped me narrow down what I want. Writing it down confirms to yourself that this is the plan. This is going to be my life. This is my life. It is that mind-body connection that is going to attract what you want way faster to you. There's a plane outside. Take your time, brother. It's so hot. Yeah, it can live inside of your head. You can be super excited about it, but that's like your internal world. That's your internal reality. But if you want it to be a physical reality in like the external world, then you're gonna want to write it down on paper, and that makes it like a physical thing. Yeah. Okay. This is a super quick topic, and I'm just going to say one sentence. The more you think about it and are grateful for it, the more you are going to attract it. That's all I'm gonna say. That's it for that point. Short and sweet, but very meaningful. The next thing that is really going to speed up the process is to stop telling yourself that you don't deserve it. Stop thinking that you have bad luck and good things don't happen to you, like good things happen to everyone else. This looks like it's not my life at all, like this cannot be my life. Stop with those negative thoughts. That is what's holding you back. Filming during renovations is probably the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. You are worthy of whatever you want that is good. So not if you're like wishing something bad upon someone, but if it's something that's good and positive, you deserve it automatically. By being grateful and by being nice and sending out positive vibrations, you are even more deserving of it. If you realize that you are in a funk of telling yourself these degrading thoughts and self-deprecating yourself, then use a 17-second rule, and 17 seconds is like proven to be able to get you out of a funk like that. And the more time you spend being positive, the faster your manifestation is gonna come to you. This is a super important thing, and I feel like I don't talk about it enough in my law of attraction videos, and it's to take action. The literal end part of the word attraction is action. There are kind of like 4 steps to law of attraction. There's ask, believe, act, and then receive. This is so important. This is bringing it into your physical world. If you want to get a certain car, go and test drive that car and go visit it, look at it, put it on your vision board, research about it, do everything you can to get as close to like buying it as you can without buying it, and that's gonna get you closer to what you want. But there are 2 types. The contractor's like right there. There are actually 2 types of action, and you want to make sure that your action type is the inspired action instead of the ego-based action. Ego-based action is when you feel that sense of like urgency and stress and, oh, like you need this right now, like it has to happen for me because my life sucks and I need my life to change. Just like give it to me. Just like freaking give it to me. You know what I mean? But inspired action is when you feel comfort and happy and not stressed when you are visualizing your dream life. You are not stressed that it's not going to come to you quickly because you already know that it's meant for you. It's worse being stressed about it than not thinking about it at all. But if you can switch that action from ego-based to inspired action, that's going to speed up the process. The last thing, and this kind of like goes with inspired action, but it's to get inspired. If you're not inspired to receive your goals, or if your goal doesn't inspire you anymore, the law of attraction process is not going to go well for you because it seems like you don't really want that anymore. It is okay for you to change your goal goals, because as you like grow up and as you go through certain things, your goals are definitely going to change. If you don't have a dream board, make one and set it as your laptop background, or put like a photo wall in your room or something like that. If you have a dream board and there are certain goals on there that just don't excite you anymore, take it off and put new goals that do excite you. Some other ways to get inspired are to watch success stories. I watched so many success stories on YouTube. You can watch law of attraction movies or listen to law of attraction podcasts. Listen to self-help podcasts is actually really good too. If you have a role model where they really inspire you, use that to motivate you to do your law of attraction practice. Those are all of my tips. I'm so excited. I love making law of attraction videos, and I hope this was super helpful, and I want to keep hearing your success stories and your like law of attraction experience stories, so comment them down below. If you want to watch my other 2 law of attraction videos, then click the I and they'll also be linked down below, and subscribe for more law of attraction videos, lifestyle videos, beauty videos, and a bunch of other types of videos. Thank you so much to Native for working with me on this video as well. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.